Hey everybody, I'm Carson from Integrated Engineering, and today we're going to be showing you how to do one of your most frequently asked questions, and that is how to clean an air filter. So here we got the IE standard dry filter. So the first step to do this, you're just going to lightly tap it off. So basically you just want to get rid of most of all the loose debris on the outside first. Just give it a little good tap. Basically, get rid of all the loose stuff first. Pretty simple. Next step, you're gonna grab your cleaner. Here, we just got diluted Dawn dish soap. Pretty simple, can make at home. And what you're gonna do now is just spray it. So you just want to do a generous amount. Get in all the fins. Get that thing coated very well. So make sure to check for all your dirty sides. Okay, should be good. Okay, now that it's sprayed down, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna set it down and let it set for 10 minutes, and then you'll come back and then we'll rinse it out. Be good. Now that you've got the outside of the filter sprayed down, you can go ahead and spray a little bit inside. Well, you're getting on the outside, just a generous amount. So, again, let this sit for 10 minutes. Once you're done, you're good to rinse it. Once you're rinsing, we'll show you. You want to go inside out, so you're pushing all the dirt, contamination on the outside, not back in. It's been 10 minutes. Should be plenty of time. So now we're going to go wash it out. Like, there's going to be crazy high pressured water. Just something simple like this. And then just lukewarm water. We're perfectly fine. So now what we're going to do, you just rinse it outside and then inside out. We want to try and get all that soap off. Get all that dirt out. Looks a little soapy still. Now that we got it all rinsed out, we are good to now just let it sit and dry. You want to let it sit and dry until it's completely dry. You don't want it on there while it's wet still. So usually just set it out overnight and then you should be good to go. So we're going to set this one down and we'll see you when it's dry. Now that your air filter is dry, should look something like this. Should be clean, no debris, good to install. So that is how you clean your IE dry air filter.